Wit videos. Wit videos.
Welcome to this tutorial on how to cook soba noodles. Soba is a type of Japanese noodle made from buckwheat flour and is a staple in Japanese cuisine. In this video, we will be showing you step-by-step instructions on how to cook soba noodles perfectly every time. Step 1. Gather ingredients and equipment. Soba noodles. A pot for boiling water. A colander or strainer. A bowl of cold water. Ingredients for your desired soba dish, such as vegetables, meat, or tofu. Step 2. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Fill a pot with water and bring it to a boil. It is important to use a pot that is large enough to accommodate the soba noodles. Step 3. Add the soba noodles. Once the water is boiling, add the soba noodles to the pot. You can use the recommended amount on the package, or use your own preference. Stir the noodles occasionally to prevent them from sticking together. Step 4. Cook the soba noodles. The cooking time for soba noodles will vary depending on the brand, but it is typically around 3 to 4 minutes. To check if the noodles are cooked, take a strand of noodles out of the pot and bite into it. It should be cooked through but still have a slight chewiness. Step 5. Drain the soba noodles. Once the noodles are cooked, use a colander or strainer to drain the water. It is important to do this step quickly to prevent the noodles from becoming mushy. Step 6. Rinse the soba noodles. Immediately after draining the noodles, rinse them in a bowl of cold water to remove any excess starch and cool them down. This will also prevent them from sticking together. Step 7. Serve and enjoy. The soba noodles are now ready to be served. You can enjoy them cold or hot with your desired sauce or toppings. Some popular soba dishes include tempura soba, soba with dipping sauce, and soba with vegetables and meat. Conclusion. That's it. You have now learned how to cook soba noodles perfectly every time. Soba is a versatile and delicious ingredient, and we hope you enjoy experimenting with different ways of serving it. Thank you for watching Wit Mix videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos. Wit videos.